Class, what am I going to write above this? Y equals sine dx. Class, what's my A value? And my B value? 5. Jesse A, what's our formula for the period? And our B value is just pi. My pi's cancel out, and your period is 2. Raise your hand if you got 2. Alright, let's draw our graph. Class, how many points do I have to put on the x-axis? 5 x values, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your finger where I'm going to put 2. Right there. Class, what number is this? 0. Class, 0 plus 2 divided by 2? 0 plus 1 divided by 2? Fractions. Think about it. 25 cents plus 50 cents equals 75 cents. So 1/4 plus 1/2, or this interval plus this interval, equals this one. Yes? So what's 1/2 plus 1? 3/2. That's 2 over 2. 1 plus 2 will give me 3. 3 over 2. Okay. Now we got to make our table of values. There's my 5 x values. Zero, 1/2, 1, 3/2, and 2. Class, which direction am I going to go on our function here? Left to right, right to left. Right to left. So I just wrote down the x values. Now what am I going to do? What math operation? So I'm going to multiply it by pi. Multiply it by pi. Take the previous row, which is x, and you're going to multiply it by pi. Class, what is pi times 0? 0 or 0 pi. Class, what is 0 times 1/2? 1/2 pi, or really pi over 2, right? Pi times 1. Pi. Pi times 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2. And pi times 2. Everyone say always. They will always go back to the quadrantals. Always. This is your safety net. This is your teddy bear. This is the nightlight at night, right? Whatever comforts you, this is it right there. Okay. I have the x's. We multiply by pi. Now we're going to evaluate at sine. Class, what is sine at 0 pi? 0. What is sine at pi over 2? Remember the order pairs, right? Sine is 1. Class, what is sine at pi? Sine at 3 pi over 2. What's the order pair? 0, -1. So that would be cosine sine. So sine is -1. And sine at 2 pi is 0. Everyone say always. Once you get to the quadrantal angles, this pattern is always the same. Sine starts at 0, ends at 0. Always. Okay, let's review what we've done so far. We put down our x values, we multiply by pi, we evaluate with sine, now we need to multiply by -3. We're going to take this row and multiply it by -3. 0 times -3. -3 times 1. -3. I'll show you in a second. -3 times 0. -3 times -1. And -3 times 0. 0. So let's just say I arbitrarily say that this is 3. And this is -3. I have 0, -3, 0, 3, and 0. What happened to our graph? It reflected over the x-axis because of the negative a value. The amplitude grew from, instead of 1, it's 3 because of my a value. And this is what your graph looks like.